Most people don't lose relationships because they don't care. They lose them because they don't understand. I'm Godfrey, and this is Relationship Intelligence, a space to unpack the unspoken, navigate conflict, and learn the art of truly connecting. When you understand people, everything changes. Today we'll be dealing with how to set boundaries like a boss, obviously without burning bridges. Now come around. Let's be real. Setting boundaries feels hard, right? You don't want to come off as cold or worse, start unnecessary drama. But here's the truth. You can protect your peace and your relationships. You just need the right approach. So let me show you exactly how to set boundaries like a boss without burning any bridges. First up, use I statements, not blame. People get defensive when they feel attacked. So instead of saying, "You're always taking up my time," try using something like, "I need some time to recharge after work." You see the difference? One opens the door and the other slams it. Second, say it calm. Say it once, then stick to it. You don't need to over-explain or get emotional. Something as simple as, "Hey, I don't take work calls after 6 p.m. That's it. No need to apologize for protecting your energy, you get it? Your calm and confidence is more powerful than any long speech. Now the final one. If you want to keep the connection, offer an alternative. Boundaries aren't about shutting people out. Obviously, you still want to maintain that relationship. They're about creating healthy space. "I can't talk right now, but I'm free tomorrow at 3. Now you've honored your boundary and the relationship at the same time. Now, my guy, look, people who truly respect you won't be threatened by your boundaries. They will appreciate them. And the ones who push back, they were only comfortable when you had none. So set your boundaries. Protect your peace. You don't need to be loud. You just need to be clear. If this helped, hit like, share it with someone who's too nice for their own good. And remember, respect starts where your boundary begins. I'm Godfrey, and thank you. See you next time.